Hey there, how you going? It's Mark here, and welcome to this review video. So recently I was lucky enough to get the chance to be one of the beta testers for a new product by Kevin Fahey called the Fresh Online Reports System. And this thing, as you're going to see in a minute, is absolutely amazing. So if you're struggling to get traffic and you want a way to get free traffic, literally in 5 to 10 minutes a day, this is exactly what you should be getting. And I'm going to be using this pretty much. I'll probably do about 15 to 20 different reports every single month because it's really simple and the amount of traffic that it drives is insane. So there's nothing better than free traffic, but it's really hard to do and to get because you've got to constantly upload content to different platforms and it can be a little bit tiresome. Well, with this particular system, with this particular method, what Kevin's done is he's created a listing site that is SEO optimized, and he has SEO hacks that allow your reports to get ranked in Google search engine. So you're getting traffic from two separate places, as well as he has additional hacks about sharing that particular report on other social media sites just to bring in even more traffic. So you're going to get traffic from the listings itself within this actual marketplace. You're going to get traffic from Google rankings because it's hard to rank, but because these are Google reports, they rank very, very quickly because obviously they're favored by Google. And with the way that they ping it and submit it to Google, it actually goes ahead and ranks very, very quickly. So within a couple of days, you're going to see your reports ranking on the first page of Google, meaning you're going to get a lot, a lot of targeted traffic. And he covers everything you need to know about what keywords to target and how to actually set up your reports. And honestly, he even tells you how to use ChatGPT with some special prompts that he's come up with that literally build the report for you. It's so simple to do, and I actually put it to the test as well. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. But this is going to get you hyper-targeted free traffic. Now, if you stick around, I'm also going to show you a number of bonuses that you can get. There's 17 bonuses that I have on offer when you get this. Now, right now, it is in the middle of the launch. So at the time of recording this, it actually goes live, as you can see, in around about 10 hours time. But by the time you're seeing this, probably it's going to be live and you're going to have less than 7 days to pick this up, and you'll see a timer on my page. Now, if you're on the page, you're going to see a timer. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see a link below to go to this page and you can see how long you have left in order to get all these goodies and to get the Fresh system at the reduced price. And it's stupidly cheap. I'm talking like $10. So basically the price of a coffee can really expand the amount of traffic you're going to get to your business. Now, what I recommend is you send this traffic to different offers, but the best way to do it is to send the traffic inside your report to an opt-in page where you can collect an email subscriber, build your email list for free, and then you can promote any damn offer you want, right? And this thing is actually absolutely amazing. I was really shocked by how quickly it drove some traffic for me, right? It was really cool. So in a minute, I'm gonna go through all the different bonuses and we'll cover all that. On my page here, you can read more about what it is, how it works, and all the bits and pieces that you're going to get, including those 17 bonuses. So let's just head straight over to the actual Fresh system and let me show you what it is, what you're getting, and how it works. So let's pop over there right now. So here I am over inside the Fresh members area, and basically what you can see is already 65 beta testers, or 65 people well, actually there's 65 reports. It's probably not that many beta testers because you can actually upload 30 reports per month, so one a day, right? Which I would be definitely doing because you're going to get a ton more traffic just by having more and more of your content out there, and just let the Fresh system do all the SEO stuff for you, get it listed, get it ranked, and get you traffic from Google, but also from the actual listings as well, and from other social media sites. Pretty insane, right? So what I did was, you can see here, I just put one up there literally around about 5 or 6 hours ago, okay? And this thing absolutely rocks. I've already had 21 hearts and I've had about 40 people check it out. And the reason I know that is because I put a tracking link inside of my report so I can actually see how many people came through. So already 40 odd so people have come to it within 5 or 6 hours, and this thing's not even live to the general public yet. So imagine as time goes on and we get more members in here, the amount of traffic that I'm going to be able to get would be 100 to 200 different clicks every single day, 30 days a week, a month, right? That's going to bring me in a lot of new leads, and hence is going to make me a lot of new sales. All right, so this thing's amazing. I created a basic report here, and if I just pop into it, you can actually go into where the report is. Rightio, people can check it out. They can get the key takeaways, and then you can simply download it. And I can also link out to some other social media profiles, which just gets me more traffic and more exposure, right? This thing is insane, absolutely insane. I'm in love with it, and I definitely will be using it, and I'm highly recommending it to you because yes, the free traffic in here is real, it works, and it's super simple. You do not need to have any skills, experience, or knowledge at all in how to do any of these things. There is literally just a few training videos that show you how to quickly do it, and you can put it together in no time. It probably took me, I'd say, around about 10 to 15 minutes to do the whole process. That's it, done. Now I could definitely afford to put aside 10 to 15 minutes every couple of days, and like I said, I'll probably do 15 to 20 of these per month, and you can imagine how much traffic that's going to drive to my different opt-in pages and build my email list, and obviously that is going to generate me a ton more capital, a ton more income towards my business. Now, when you come in here, you're going to see the reports section. So you can just click there to check out all the different reports. You're going to see all the training, right? So there's very, very detailed step-by-step training, which looks like this, okay? And you just watch each of the videos. So you got the introduction, how to find different offers, how to actually submit your report, right? You got different methods and approaches that you can use the Fresh system for. You've got additional training on the Fresh Reports funnels, so different funnels that work well. And as I just said, an opt-in page funnel is the way to go. And then you've got these additional SEO hacks and the killer keywords that you want to be using in your reports. So let's go and check those out. So if you haven't seen those and you want to look into these a bit more, you can click the link in the description there below. Obviously, that's going to allow you to go to this page. If you're on this page, then just scroll down and check these out. So let's come down here, and you can obviously read more about the actual Fresh system. So here is one that I very rarely offer, and when I do offer it, it's usually because of something that I'm using and I believe in and I know that I can help people with, and that is a one-on-one 1 hour coaching session with me personally. So this is I normally charge $4.97 for an hour, but this is something I'm going to do for free. Now, I don't think I will be it's probably going to be for the first 20 people because there's only so many hours in the day, right? So once again, highly recommend it. Go ahead, click the link, either one of those in the description below if you're on YouTube, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, by the way. But if you're on this page right now, just click the bid rec button, go and get it while you still can at that reduced price, super cheap, and what you're getting for this is going to be a game changer when it comes to the amount of free traffic you can get and build that email list and get the sales a lot faster. Hope you enjoy it. Do let me know your results and comment below and keep me updated on how much you love this system like I do. All right, that's it from me. Ciao for now.